Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you guys can see, my look today was melon inspired, watermelon to be exact. And this is like my version of watermelon. Just comment down below what you guys' favorite fruit is. And I'll show you how to do it on a budget too. Let's get into it. Okay, so I am starting out with my eyebrows with my NYX eyebrow pencil in black. Okay, this is just my go-to. The application is super easy, and like the slightest press gives the blackest of black. So I'm careful with it, but it definitely does its job. But it's easy to apply. And now I have my NYX HD concealer. I'm a medium, if you guys are wondering. And I'm just using a little definer brush just around my brows, just to cover up any kind of imperfections. So I'm doing that and just filling in as I go along. Just if I missed any spots, I just go in and fine tune. So I'm just applying and applying and applying and applying. And I'm just making sure that it's blended, no harsh lines. And I'm not too concerned about getting it all the way blended out because I cover it with foundation anyway. So relax. And I'm good to go. I'm going in with my tape. This is my go-to thing because most of my looks are done with tape because I just like a clean line. No matter what look I'm doing, I just like a clean line. And oh my gosh, guys. This NYX eyeshadow base. Yo. If you guys have any unforgiving palettes, this is what you need in your life, okay? And I got it in white. I believe there's like a blush one, but you know, I didn't go for that. I like the full bang, you know? I like the boom in my eyeshadow. And I'm just setting it with my e.l.f. translucent powder with a little foundation brush, just pressing it into my lids so I don't crease or anything, because you know, that's not how I want to live my life. The only thing that should be creased is like my ponytail when I take it out. Oh, and I'm going in with a fluffy brush into this gorgeous red shade. Out of all these colors, you would think they have like more red shades in this palette, but this was the only one I saw, but it was gorgeous, so I'm not even complaining. And it's super pigmented, guys. This palette is cheap, okay? I believe I paid $15 for it. So, and you're getting 120 pigments, so you really can't go wrong. Like, come on. And it's perfect for people like me who make videos nonstop. And I'm going in with this brown shade, and I'm just adding definition. It was a brown red, and I'm just adding some definition to the outer V because I just don't want it to be so bland. Not that it's bland, but you know what I mean. And I'm going in with my eyeshadow base, and yo, I'm just cutting my crease, nothing crazy. And with this kind of cut crease, I'm not worried about the sharp lines, this and that. The only kind of cut crease like I'm going for in this look is just to define the two different colors. I want the full two colors. Like I want there to be a very substantial difference, and I don't want anything, you know, looking confused. Am I explaining this right? Probably not. It's fine. These are strawberry shortcake eyes right now. Look at that. I'm just cutting it out. And you can see I got some on my lid. But don't worry, I go back in and fix that. Do not fret, my pet. And that is a little flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm going in with the green. Guys, how cute is this green? There were so many green shades in the palette. This is just the one I went for. I had to stare at it for like 13 minutes, just staring. Which one do I want? What's more watermelon-esque? And I'm just patting it onto the lid. Whatever I put the base on, I'm covering with the green. And I'm going back in and blending so there's no really harsh lines. So that's why I'm saying, like, the cut crease I was going for isn't like your typical cut crease. It was just very vague, just to get the two colors. And this is my NYX glitter primer because I'm not putting it on a flat eyeshadow brush. You guys are going to see why in a second. Guys, when I do my big reveal of just... It's like I got a new pet. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. I accidentally stabbed that pink shade. Believe it or not, I didn't use this palette yet. And I'm just kind of haloing it. I'm putting it not in the inner corner, but not in the outer corner, right in the middle of the lid, just to add some sparkles. Just that, like, it makes it look iridescent. I love it. And I'm going back in and just blending it out. And you guys, if you look closely, the glitter spread substantially, but I don't care. I'm going back in and covering some of the glitter. You'll see. But after a while, I was like, I'm not even going to stress this. It's glitter, and glitter makes me happy. So I just kind of left it. And now I'm going with my liquid eyeliner, my Revlon liquid liner in black. And I keep forgetting to get a new one. For some reason, I just don't get a new one, and I just bang it around on video. Like, guys, I don't know why I do that. Why do I do this to myself? After every swipe, I have to shake it. Look at that. And again for the road, and again for the road. We're gonna shake it. We're gonna shake it. Of course we are. I'm just removing my tape. Look at that. And there you go. I'm going in with my telescopic L'Oreal mascara in Carbon Black. And now I'm just putting on the rest of my face. You guys will see me do that. And I just picked up some tape to remove the excess glitter. Guys, look at all the glitter I freaking pulled off my face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like what you saw here, give it a big thumbs up. Like the video if you want to see more things like this. Comment your favorite fruit and I will put it on my eyes. But until next time, I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.